So this is Imran at Toronto, downtown condos.com. Introducing Canary Commons condo, 35 Rolling Mills Road, right across from the George Brown College and waterfront. This is the Canary district and the distillery district combined together. Beautiful, gorgeous area, simply superb condominiums. These spaces in these condos is just magnificent. They have 1 bedroom all the way to 3 bedroom condos with parking and locker and beautiful, nice prices. Zipping in and out of Toronto downtown is not an issue. Call me direct at 416-670-6588. Email me Imran at Toronto, downtowncondos.com for further information, current listings and upcoming future listings for sale and for lease. Thank you so much for listening.